This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by April Blankinship. Hurry, run, don't wait, make an appointment today to see this beautiful tri-level home with an oversized master bedroom that includes a walk-in closet, a bathroom secluded to the bottom floor with its own sliding glass door and outdoor patio. The bottom level master has had new paint and carpeting, and there are beautiful hardwood floors on the main level. All kitchen appliances, washer/dryer, playground, trampoline, shed and basketball hoop are included in the sale, and it is move-in ready. This home is in a neighborhood with beautiful trees, mature landscape, and so convenient to the Oak Ridge Turnpike that sweeps you right into town. This wonderful home is ready for a new buyer to love it. Is it you? Make an appointment today with a licensed realtor before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact April Blankinship at 865-966-1111.